Go!
Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm a Level 4 Software Developer Apprentice at Bluefruit. I started a Level 4 Software Developer Apprenticeship at 16, which is, don't think's never been done before in Cornwall, so it's pretty big for me. So yeah, that's me. This is about how I got into where I am and where I'm going afterwards. So, October 2015, I went to a mission to Mars, which was my first ever coding experience outside of Scratch or Python, which was a Arduino C robot coding experience. I then went on to wanting to do more, which is where I come in with my tips of always putting yourself forward, which is what I did, and I was striving myself to go where I wanted to be, even if I was worried or scared. That brings me on to my next point, which is where I went to a Eden of Things, also run by Bluefruit and Sophie Cornwall, which I met people. And it sounds funny, but I met people. And I was talking to them all, just getting to know them, finding out who people were. And that's where I met Belinda and Paul, and he's over there too, who I now work for. So it's pretty cool if you stay connected, and that's another one of my tips. So it's a good thing. That's a photo from a blog post I wrote on Bluefruit's website, which you can find if you go to Bluefruit's website. It's about how I mentored at one of my first Mission to Marses. And I've done 2 Mission to Marses as a student, 1 Eden of Things as a student, and now I've done 3 or 4 as a mentor. So going through the whole process of going through the system up to where I am now has helped so much through learning experiences, pushing myself, striving, meeting people, getting myself to where I am now, which is stood here on the stage. I was featured during the National Apprenticeships Week with a couple of my other fellow apprentice friends. Give us a wave. Hi. So yeah, that was a big thing. And then this is one of my favorite things, is being yourself when you go to an interview or going to an experience or wanting to do something. It's being yourself, being you, and not being afraid of being yourself, especially when you're so different to everyone else. Like, I play county cricket, and I am judged there because I'm different and I do coding. None of them do coding. They're all doing sport courses at Truro College or St Austell College, and I'm like, hang on a second, I want to be a coder. Why are you pushing me out because I'm different and I want to do something else? But I'm just like, yeah, whatever, I don't care anymore. You guys can think I'm different, but I'm really not. And then here's a photo of me and my old team at work. So me being moved to a different team is a big thing for me because it's all me being new things, pushing myself to be better on this new team. Also mentioning new teams, we are hiring at Bluefruit as well, so I do have business cards, so if you're looking for somewhere, please, we are hiring, and that's me.
Thank you.